You will love the features of this 2017 Toyota 86. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a Toyota 86, the essential compact sports car that is both an efficient daily driver and a muscular high-performance machine. Its thoughtfully designed cockpit creates an intuitive feel, while its breathtaking power and menacing stance leave no doubt as to its readiness for a spirited ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Heart-stopping excitement meets daily driver practicality in this stunning 86. Our expert staff will set up a test drive guaranteed to make your day.